Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. There is a lot of work that I got to be doing today. I got to play catch up because I haven't really had a chance to work on the car in the last week or so, so that's why I haven't posted a video, so I apologize for that. In the meantime, I've been working on cleaning on the underneath of the frame here and underneath the unibody. There's a lot to do, so stay tuned.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may, I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I'd like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may.
I washed the car in the garage to try and expose some of the spots potentially that could actually have been affected by more rust. Especially with the amount of rust that I saw here on this car, I decided I just wanted to clean everything to kind of give me visibility on potential things I may have to repair. Luckily, I only found one small spot that I have to repair. It's pretty much just underneath the body. I'll give you guys a look here, what it looks like. It's probably like a 2x2 inch piece that I'm gonna have to repair. Luckily, I have some leftover material that I can go ahead and patch that up nicely. And after that, I'll be able to undercoat that as well and protect that. Started grinding everything out. Have a nice hole. It was actually pretty bad, so that plate will go in. Just like that. I'll weld that in. Alright, so this morning, guys, I basically just cleaned up underneath the car. I converted as much of the rust that was there, removed as much of the rust that was there, hopefully enough to where I can go ahead in the next while and I can go ahead and paint. What next thing that needs attention before I actually do that is these quarter panels. These have been pretty badly damaged over the years, to the point where it's pretty much rotted through and no longer structurally strong, so we are going to repair that. I already went ahead and I purchased quarter panel patch replacements. I got them shipped in. They roughly cost me $100. I'm not going to be using the entire panel. I'll just be using the sections that require the repair. It's important that you keep the factory metal if it's still good, because you're never really going to be able to match that when you go ahead and purchase one of those panels. There's always some type of flaw on those because they can't replicate them the exact same as as this fender right here. First, I'm just going to take a quick minute and mark what's still good here. So this is rather soft right here, so we're going to take that out. A good way to test a lot of things is to use a very small pointy screwdriver. Literally, if you're able to poke a hole through the sheet metal, it's rotted through. You need to remove it. Just using a really tiny little flathead, but you could use a smaller one. Could probably go here, but there is already starting here. See? So that's gone. So from the very bottom, we're looking at 5 1/4. Yeah. That's probably going to cover it, no problem. That is probably going to be replaced. All of that. Probably a little overkill up here, but I think I have an idea of what I'm going to do, so that's that one. Let's move on to the bigger one. So I'm thinking we're probably going to go right around there. Gonna kind of line that up. Stick with a 5 3/4. Five and 3/4. So that's going to be that one. I think this side's worse than the other. The other side has the gas tank, but it doesn't have that bottom part as the problem as well, like this side does. So that'll be that cut. So I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to start cutting out this. I put the panel back on to make sure that I had enough metal so I wasn't going over on any of my cuts, and I am well in the clear. So I'm just going to try and hit this slow so I don't add too much heat to the panel, so I don't want to warp the existing panel. So I'm going to make a little cut or like a little removal, and then I'll take like a wet rag, cool it down, and then I'll hit it again. Let's go for it. So now that I got those two pieces removed, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of that rotted stuff and the rusted parts inside on the fender well. And then I think after that I'm just gonna sweep up and call it a night. And then I'll just get back to it in the morning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do this part right here.
This cut is fresh.
Hey guys, so thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you learned something. Please leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and in the next video we'll be working on the second half of this quarter panel replacement.
If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all.